Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get email subscribers with traffic exchanges for free. And not only that, I'm going to show you how by using the tools and the platforms today, you can earn an instant and monthly recurring commission with these platforms. I'm live in my Gmail account, so I'm going to show you some proof first of all that these tools and these platforms work. And you'll see here, I'm going to go into SendSteed. SendSteed is the list builder that you get free as the tool suite with Leadsleap. And Leadsleap has been online since 2008. And you'll see if I scroll down here, the consistency I'm getting of people opting into the list. So if you see a little number here, number 2, number 4, these numbers are how many opt-ins I get within one day. And when you see larger numbers here, like 75, that's when I've promoted the lead capture page that I've created with Leadsleap to a solo ad provider. So it not only works in traffic exchanges, the tools also work with solo ads. So you'll see here 2, 2, 3, 10 in one day here. And we just continue on, and so the list is building. It's time to get some real consistency with the opt-ins using free traffic sites, free traffic exchanges. So I just want to show you that proof there that actually works. Now with Leadsleap, that's one lead capture page that I use for easy cash for ads. That was created with a share code. So if you join through my link in the description, I've got some share codes that I can share with you, totally free to join. And this is the one that I used. I created this one myself to promote the prosperity marketing system. Now, when I go into Leadsleap here, actually, first of all, I'll just show you that when you do join, if you want to have a play around with the lead capture page, the lead capture page creator, all you do is click the link in the description, go on to free tools, and you can even just play around with the landing page here. Click on try landing page builder now, and there's a user guide. You can start creating. You can see how easy the tool is to use even before you set up a free account with Leadsleap. So I'm live in my account here, and Leadsleap, the reason I recommend it is not just for the tools and the traffic, but if I go on to advertising here, what they tell you is that they not only, with the traffic exchange, they not only advertise your offer to Leadsleap members themselves, your traffic exchange adverts are shown to our members in our trackers with 200,000 plus of hits daily from thousands of other sites, and the ad widgets shown in over 4,000 sites. So you're not only getting traffic from within the Leadsleap platform itself to their members, you're getting external traffic all over the internet from thousands and thousands of other sites that they have relationships built with over the years, because Leadsleap's been around now since 2008. If I go into this little table here, so not only promote your lead capture page, but I do recommend a strategy that I've used where you promote traffic sites, so cross promote within different traffic sites. And I'll show you the recurring income you can get here from just being a free member with Leadsleap. So we're in affiliate commissions, this tab here. You will earn 25% commission as a free member. So this here, and what I did once I got some commissions coming in, I upgraded to Pro, and then when you get to Pro, you can get more. You get 3 free ads with the free account, and then when you get some more commissions coming in, you can put 10 ads, 10 adverts into the platform, and then they go out automatically without you surfing the traffic exchange. So it's worth your while to promote Leadsleap as the free tools and the free traffic and the income within other sites to get some commissions coming in, and then you can start to automate your traffic and maybe not surf as much. The next site I'm going to recommend is Traffic Ad Bar, and the reason I recommend this as well is because it's been online for a while, and you'll see I've got 34 referrals with Traffic Ad Bar, so I cross promote the traffic sites with this. It gets tier one traffic, and it also includes buyers. So you can see here you start to get some consistency. October, the number of visitors, November, and you'll see here that the actual consistency comes in. So we're just over a third of the way through December. I'm going to get the same amount of points again. So we're getting some consistency there. Now with Traffic Ad Bar, you also get points from your referrals, but Traffic Ad Bar is also like Leadsleap. The Traffic Ad Bar can be, your adverts can be promoted on thousands and thousands of websites externally outside the Traffic Ad Bar platform. So that's another reason why I like Traffic Ad Bar as a traffic exchange. You're not only promoting to the tier one traffic members, you're not only promoting to the buyers within Traffic Ad Bar itself, you're getting your adverts promoted externally to thousands of other websites by using the ad bar all around the world on different websites. And when your members, even as a free member, if any of your referrals, so you see here I've got 34 referrals, if any of your referrals upgrade, again, just like with Leadsleap, you can earn a monthly recurring commission, and that's when you can upgrade yourself and start to automate your traffic as well. The next one I'm going to show you is free advertising for you, and I'm also going to show you a way that you can automate your traffic within this platform. So surfing will get you credits. I'm going to show you a way where you can get some free credits and automate your traffic if you haven't got time to surf like all day or all night. Like I just surf while I'm watching the television, but some people have only got so much time in the day to surf traffic exchanges. So what I like about free advertising for you, it's not a recurring income commission. If you get any referrals that upgrade, you get one-off commissions, but they give you sort of a step-by-step table here. They have cash prizes, they have bonuses. So if you're someone that spends quite a lot of time surfing the traffic exchanges, they've got a step-by-step little table here that takes you through what you need to do to earn points and to earn prizes. Now I'm going to go into redeem promo code, and this is how you automate your traffic in free advertising for you. First of all, when you join, they give you $300 of free advertising, so it's worth just clicking the link in the description just to get that. And you'll see here I've got 485,428 credits. Now, when I go on here to buy ads, all you do is you sign up to a newsletter. Actually, let's just go back one page there. You sign up to a newsletter, and twice a week, the owner, Jason, will send you a promo code. And then what you can do, you can exchange that promo code to to place adverts on the site that will go out automatically without you surfing the traffic exchange. So you'll see here 100,000 credits, 50,000 credits. These are all promo codes that I've actually redeemed. I get 2 every week. You'll see here, join the newsletter. So you click there to join the newsletter, and you have redeemed the following active promo codes. And these are all the hundreds and thousands of credits. This one here was 300,000. Oops. This one here was 300,000 credits. This one was 100,000 credits. And then what you do, I'll just show you here. You go into buy ads. Now you're not going to buy ads. You can if you want to do, if you haven't got any credits, but you can exchange the promo ad credits for any of these ads here. So all I will do is, if I want to go on to text ads, if I want to exchange those credits, then all I do is, instead of buying the ads, I'm getting all this for free. That's why he calls it free advertising for you. It's a great traffic site. It's tier 1 traffic. It includes buyers. So if I want to exchange, if I want to buy some text ads and get 1,000 views with the text ads that are placed on this site all over, then all I would do is I would use 150,000 credits out of my 485,000 credits, and then I can get some text ads. So what I'll do later on today is I'll use all these credits up, and I can do all different. I've got 425,000 there. If I want to get 5,000 text ad views, I can use all my credits up for text link ads. And you don't have to use it just for text link ads. As long as you've got enough credits, then you can use those for all these other different advertising methods here. There's 10 different ways you can advertise, excuse me, on free advertising for you. So you see there, just a brief overview that what we're looking at today. Everything's free to join. You're going to be advertising to buyers. You're going to be earning recurring income as a free member when you cross promote these platforms within these sites. It includes tier 1 traffic. So that's just sort of a brief overview of what I do. And if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new video. So I've got over 460 videos now on the channel, and I do new videos every week, new content every week. And I've also got some playlists, excuse me. So I'll pin some playlists to the top comment below this video if you like playlists and you like to watch some of my other videos on traffic exchanges. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.